Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about that what is living. What is the meaning of living? Living means anything which have life. And what is an organism? An organism is any living being which can grow and which can reproduce. Okay. Now living organism is further classified into two parts. One is prokaryotes and second one is eukaryotes. What is the meaning of prokaryotes? Listen, pro means primitive and karyote means nucleus. Primitive nucleus in which means the cells in which nucleus is present absent. The cells which lacks nucleus. The cells in which nucleus is not present or present but not well defined. That cells is called prokaryotic cells. And the cells in which nucleus is present or the nucleus is well defined, that cells are called, or that organism are called eukaryotic organism. Okay. Now eukaryotes are further divided into two parts. That is, one is unicellular and second one is multicellular. Multicellular. Listen, what is the meaning of uni? Uni means one and cellular means cell. The organism which are composed of a single cells that are called unicellular organism, and the organism that is composed of multiple cells, or you can say more than one type of cell, that organism are called multicellular organism. Okay, the example of prokaryote is kingdom Monera. There are total 5 kingdoms in which all living organisms are grouped or classified according to the basic fundamental similarities. That 5 kingdoms are kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia. Okay. The example of prokaryotic is kingdom Monera. Kingdom Monera includes all unicellular, single-celled organism. That is example like bacteria. All the bacteria are included in kingdom Monera. Second one is unicellular. Beta unicellular means single, cellular means cells. The organism which are composed of a single cell. And the example of unicellular is kingdom. Example is kingdom Protista. All the members of kingdom Protista are included in this kingdom. Okay. And third one is multicellular. Multicellular means the organism which are composed of multiple cells. Multicellular is further classified into two parts: autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic and heterotrophic. Listen, auto means cell and trophic means nutrition. The organism which can produce their own food. The organism which can produce their own food, that is called autotrophic organism, and the organism which are depend on others for their food, that is called heterotrophic organism. The example of autotrophic is kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae. Why plants are autotrophic? Because plants are having a pigment which is called chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is an essential pigment which is very necessary for photosynthesis. Okay. Now there we can understand one thing: why the fungi is not included in kingdom Plantae, means why the fungi is excluded from kingdom Plantae. Because kingdom Plantae have all the characteristic feature of kingdom Plantae is that the kingdom Plantae have chlorophyll. Green plants having chlorophyll, and fungi is a colorless. Fungi lacks chlorophyll, so fungi is a heterotrophic. So why the fungi is excluded from kingdom Plantae. Okay. Now next is heterotrophic. Heterotrophic means the organism which are depend on others for their food. Heterotrophic is further classified into two parts. That is with cell wall and without cell wall. With cell wall and without cell wall. We all know cell wall is only present in plants. Okay. And animals lack cell wall. Okay, means this is understood that kingdom Animalia is included in like without cell wall. You can also say unicellular Protista, autotrophic fungi, heterotrophic is that fungi, and second one is that multicellular example is kingdom Animalia. This is the classification of kingdom Plantae. We can classify the living organism in this behalf. Okay, thank you.